Hi Sandra, this is Sang Nguyễn from Elite Fashion US in Campbell, California. My phone number is 408-250-6665. So after the authentication with Entropy, now we're going to have the close-up video for you. This bag was authenticated by eBay, and my local buyer also showed me the proof of purchase from her eBay app. You can also scan on this one and it will show. I see a little bit stretchy, but it's not that noticeable. And beside this is very soft leather. So it has some kind of, I'm not sure how to call it, greasing. It's just like that when it was brand new. So I'd recommend you to buy the organizer because this bag is a little bit too soft to me actually. The corner for this bag look perfect. Let me show you the back. Now we're going to look at the back pocket. And I'm going to show you the interior. After that, we're going to show you the strap. The interior, the zipper still has the plastic protector on. Now we're going to see the inner. Let me open the inner pocket so you can see it's clean inside. Okay, we're going to see the strap. As you know, this is Eagle hardware, so it looked like it's worn out on the metal, but it is how it was when this bag was purchased in store. It is gold, H gold hardware. Thank you for watching. Let me put this on YouTube.